Well, hey family, this is Darlene on this secondary camera. I tracked my device this morning and it should be delivered on Saturday. So I wasn't going to videotape anything, but I am sitting here working on some of the BOHO fabric bracelets, the Bangles. Every time I make these, I sell these really well on Fair. So I am making a lot of these to put on Fair. So these are the ones I make using the cardboard base, and I'll link the video. I'm not going to show you how I make these because I already have a video showing, so I will link that video in this video. But these are the ones that I'm making. I'm going to make a lot of these. So what happened is I did go and pick up a lot of fabric. So I got a lot of different fabric, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Saturday and get some, I want some cow print, like animal print material. So I'm going to go get some animal print material. I like these because they are colorful. So one thing is, as I was using them, you really can't kind of sort of tell the difference under the wire and all the decoration. But you can see it a little bit, but not a whole lot. And I am going to get some plain black material, so the base will be, the material base will be black, and then I'll decorate around the black. And with this camera, I can't put it too close because it's not, oh my god, I'll be glad when I get my camera. So you can see, you know, how these are. These are really nice. I wear these myself, not these in particular, but I got a bunch of these that I wear myself, and I love wearing these. The base is cardboard, but you have to remember the aluminum wire is 18 gauge. So it's very sturdy. So once you start putting the you know, the wire and all the decorations around the cardboard, it makes them very sturdy. I do know some people were expressing their dislike for these bracelets when I was showing them that I use the cardboard as the base and then, you know, start wrapping them. But if you make some of these and once you start decorating them and doing everything, you will see how sturdy that they are. They're very sturdy. They last a long time. Just don't be putting them in water and stuff. But they wear really well for a, you know, for a good time because the wire is like a casing. So it makes them more sturdy. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making these, and for the, I cut about 10 inches of material in length, and then about a half an inch, about an inch across. I'm all out of the camera. So an inch across and then 10 inches long. That's generally what I cut. And then when I wrap it, oh, I don't have a base cut. So when I do wrap it, I take it slanted, like so. Let me find my way in this camera. Like this, and then I begin to wrap it, because as you slant it, you cover more of your bangle. So as you wrap it like that, and then you can see how this is how it generally wrap. And then as I wrap it, you covering more, and then it tends to lay nice and flat like that. And then that's what you want on your bangle when you're wrapping it. Man, I can't find my place in these. Okay, so there we go. But I like these. I think these are really pretty. I am going to make more of these. I'm going to make some with the evil eye. I did make some with the evil eye last time, and I had about 10 of these, and they sold out just like that. I put them in a case, and they went just like that. So I'm going to make more of these. And then I just really, really dig it, you know, with the wire. I mean, it just, for me, I love them. BOHO fabric bracelets. And I like a junky, trashy kind of look. if I may, respectfully. Like they're just kind of abstract and eclectic. They don't look like anything else, like your average everyday type of bracelet. And I think that's why I like them so much. And that's probably why they sell so good too. But anyway, that's what I was sitting here working on for the day. I'm going to try to get as many of these made as I possibly can. You can see I do have a lot of material. So I have a lot of material, I have a lot of wire, I have a lot of cardboard. So, by the time it's over, I should be able to get a lot of bracelets made out of this material. So I'm going to have to figure something out, because if you look at it, all the prints are different. They're different, however, they're the same. So hopefully they don't all come out looking like the same, and I'm hoping they don't, because I see a difference, right here. Anyway, family, that's what I'm working on. And my camera should be, hopefully they'll deliver my camera on Saturday. I tracked it this morning and it said delivery Saturday, and then the date they gave it for Saturday. And I'm like, well, why did that take so long? But they sent it through regular mail. So they sent it out through regular mail, and then it's coming from a different state. So I'm like, oh, okay, that's probably why. I never send stuff. Well, I do send things regular mail, but electronics, I wouldn't do that. But it is what it is. So, and that's what I get for being, like in a rush and all that other kind of stuff. But anyway, we'll talk.